Hello, good morning, good evening, afternoon, whatever, wherever you guys are. What's going on, everyone? What's up? What's up? Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to an AMA for today. I don't know what you guys want to talk about today, but I'm down to talk about whatever. So feel free to @RedPandaMining me in the live chat, and we can get that going. You guys may have noticed my new little intro. It's not new. I was actually able to I'm now able to use my Streamlabs on my YouTube account. So this is what I use for my Twitch. So if you guys noticed that's why. So I now have notifications, donation alerts, whatever, everything showing up on YouTube now. So I am happy about that. Chump Change, I'm tired. Red Panda. Chump Change, you better be tired because your StarCraft skills could be better. You gotta play better. Just kidding. I know you're just starting, so. But we'll play Diablo. We'll play Diablo. All right, no problem. What's up, guys? Oh, Chancoin, thank you for the donation earlier. Techman, about to go search for GPU at liquidation place. Nice. I like that. What do you think will be the best coin to mine after POS of ETH? Frenzy Boy, I can't give you a definitive answer. But, you know, it all depends. It just all depends, right? But let's just say Z Classic, for instance, decides to go up in price by a lot. Like a lot. And so relative to what the network hash rate is, if it can handle the profitability, whatever, all that stuff, equilibrium of what you see of all these prices, it's all going to depend. So your guess is as good as mine in about 6 or 9 months. When ETH goes to, they're going to the merge. All right, it's not full on, you know, sharding or anything like that yet. That's like another, they said, I think 2 years away. It's the merge only, where they turn off proof of work and then turn on full on POS. So it could be any one of these coins, man. Firo, Bitcoin Gold, who knows? If one of these coins decides to moon and then be able to handle all the hash rate for all of us, Raven coin, right? That's a huge speculation that a lot of people have, right? It's a big risk, right? It's a big gamble thinking about if any of these coins are going to go up and handle the hash rate that, you know, all that Ethereum has right now, which is quite a lot. We don't know. I think everyone's been saying about 40 to 60% for ASIC miners, but yeah, where are those ASICs going to go? They're going to go the other ETH hash algorithms, Callisto, Ubic, Elysium, did I say that right? Expanse, right? These are all ETH hash coins. I believe those ASICs can mine as well. Ethergem, Metaverse, right? Who knows? Nobody's talked about any of these coins. I wonder if one of these coins could, you know, moon, right, and handle the hash rate. I don't know if hash rate is going to moves the price. That's a whole nother thing. Who knows? Frenzy Boy, I'm mining Raven for some time now. Nice. Adam, Red Panda should I continue mining Zilliqa too, or move back to Ethermine? Any suggestions? Adam, I've explained it before. I'm still on Ezil. I'm mining Ethereum and Zilliqa, and I'm playing that. I'm playing that risk. I'm playing that game of hoping Zilliqa can do some moves, right, in the future. I don't know. I'm thinking long term here. I'm not too much worried about what the short term profits is, but for Zilliqa, wow, this thing loads really slow. Come on, CoinMarketCap. Come on. But with anonymous miner, yeah, exactly. You can mine Zill and anything else you want, any pool. Yeah, exactly. You can do ETC if you wanted to. ETC and Zilliqa. Yeah, Zilliqa looks like had some decent amount of price action this past 2 weeks, from 5 cents to 9 cents. But who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I'm you know, getting some Zilliqa, right, and then seeing what happens in the future, right? Maybe I am losing a little bit of Ethereum, right? Maybe I'm losing that, you know, that couple of seconds where it switches off, because it's dual mining Ethereum Zilliqa, right? There's a point in time where the miner has to switch to eZill to mine on Zilliqa just for like a short period. So yeah, however long that is, I'm not quite sure. I've never really dived into it that deep, but anyways, Chum Change has a question. Chum Change XD RedPandaMining. So how are you able to get your Twitch stuff in YouTube finally? Because your sub count or something? Chum Change, I'm not sure. I went to my Streamlabs and I was finally able to access my YouTube account. So I think the issue is that I have a brand account on YouTube. So I do have multiple like brands under my account or something. I think initially I clicked the wrong one and I couldn't go back, and that channel had no subscribers. So I was like, oh, I clicked the wrong one. So that could potentially be an issue with that. So if you have multiple brands under that one email account or whatever, then make sure you click on the correct one. Yeah, I think that was the issue for me last time. Okay. Let's see here. All right. Next question. It's Simo, RedPandaMining. What do you think about NiceHash after EIP? After the London hard fork? NiceHash. Good old NiceHash. Well, I know a lot of people, oh man, there's so many opinions out there regarding, you know, not to use NiceHash, or, you know, the opinion of you want to use NiceHash just to gain more BTC, Satoshis, and you know what? Do what you want to do. Do what you feel that you like better. And, you know, just do the research of, you know, say, example, if you were just mining Bitcoin for the past 3 years, I don't know, the dominance chart plays a huge role here, right? If you're looking at like mining Ethereum into Bitcoin, let's say if you did that back in 2017, when, you know, you could trade the tradability, the trading in terms of Ethereum to Bitcoin was like 7 Ethereum or 8 Ethereum for 1 Bitcoin. I think it was like 4 Ethereum for 1 Bitcoin at one point. So there's a like opportunity cost, right? You gain more Bitcoin when it's like during the high times of crypto, like now. But during the bear market, right? During the bear market for the past 2-3 years, 2.5 years or so, you know, you could, for trading Ethereum into Bitcoin, it was like 50 Ethereum for 1 Bitcoin. So you're gonna get less Satoshis that way. So like the strategy there is to mine more Ethereum during the bear market, mine more of the altcoins, and then when the bear market, when the bull market starts to come, as we've seen previously, 2017, and then up until now, the recent bull run we had for the past 6-7 months, and I think we're still in the bull run, as people are saying, then look at how much Ethereum you can trade into Bitcoin now, right? It's let's see here. The ratio is, let's see. Man, coin market cap blows. Hold on. Oh my god. Come on. What do you mean you couldn't find this page? What does that mean? What? What? Come on. Come on. Alright, no more coin market cap. Forget them. Forget them. Good crappy old Binance. Alright. Anyway. So look at you can trade, it's 14 Ethereum for 1 Bitcoin now, alright? And so like I said, like 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago, there were some times where you can trade 50 Ethereum for 1 Bitcoin. So you take a look at that opportunity cost. If your whole point is trying to get more Bitcoin, and to be honest, I think that's a lot of people's narrative mentality of, you know, especially if you want to make money, because everything is essentially tied to Bitcoin in that aspect, right? When we're mining Ethereum, mining any altcoins, you have that way of wanting to profit a lot more. All right, so there's a bunch of strategies out there. You just have to do your own research. Do what you guys think is the best for you. I mean, if you just want to hold long term, sure, that's totally fine. Mine a bunch of coins, and you know, as we've seen, altcoins have come up during the bull runs, and yeah, that's a good strategy, right? And then ultimately, I think the end goal is for a lot of people is to sell it, right? To sell it. And so, are you going to sell that into Bitcoin? You're going to sell that into USD? Then so be it, right? Because every time you go to what to mine and you're looking at your daily profit on an RTX 3070, for example, and right now Ethereum, it's like 40 cents better than Z Classic, right? So it depends what you do. It depends how you look at it. And like, nobody has like the best strategy out there, because timing is everything. Like, you can't just predict everything perfectly. Like, there's no way someone can predict the market that perfect, right? So Bitcoin and oh man, hold on, it's supposed to be USD value. USD. All right, coin guys. So this is not the Bitcoin dominance chart, but anyways, you can't predict, you know, when you want to sell, you know, when's the perfect time to trade, gain more Satoshis, or gain more fiat, or gain this, or gain that. You just have no idea. You just got to do it your own way. Exit plan is to gold and silver. Nice. Okay, I'm missing a whole bunch of questions up here. I'm gonna... let's see here. What do you think moving forward of the infrastructure bill? I heard the last thing I heard is that it moved to Senate or something, so it's not yet fully voted for yet. Do you check ETH network hash rate instead of decrease? It's increasing. Yeah, of course, the network hash rate for Ethereum is definitely increasing. So yes, it is. I mean, it's not as high as it was back in May 19th. I think that was the time of the China crackdown. But now it's back up at 593 terahash. I think the peak was 643 or something. Oh, thank you, Livio Lungo, for the, I don't even know what that is, RON10. Thank you so much. What to mine with 3070 Ti for future hodl? I actually have a video coming out soon with 3070 Ti's. Right now I have mine on Ravencoin. So yeah. Dig Deep Miner, what's up, man? What's up? False profit. RedPandaMining, what is your IQ score? Definitely below average. Definitely. I think I took a test once and I was like, not smart. So don't listen to me. Can you talk about Ethermine's new payout system and how much it costs the miner to get a payout? I definitely know that people have been spending more on gas recently because of, well, now Ethermine has put that fee upon the miner. So you guys have another fee, right? We have another fee as well as the pool fee. So you have the fee to extract it, like get out your Ethereum, and then you have to pay the pool, and then yeah, it sucks. It really sucks. Next question. Let's see here. Anonymous miner. RedPandaMining, did you ever get your 100K YouTube play button? I can't recall you talking about it. Also need proof of life on the fish in the mining barn again. Yeah, anonymous miner. I got the YouTube play button. Yes, I did. Here, I can show you actually. Let me see here. Can I do... let's see here. Can I do this? Wait, I gotta add a webcam. Where's the webcam? Let's see here. Oh no, right here. Nope, that didn't work. Does that work? Nope, that didn't work either. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Do you see it? There it is. YouTube play button. There you go. You guys see that? Yeah, 100K, yeah. That would be like 100 trillion, yeah, 100 billion or something. Yeah. There you go. I got it. I never made an announcement or anything because I didn't feel like I needed to do that. I don't like, yeah. That fireball though. Yeah, don't worry about the fireball. The fireball was when we we're not celebrated, but we mourned for our Savage Mine, rest in peace, passed away, and but honored Savage Mine with our fireball. Oh man, so many people drank so much fireball, it was insane. Serpent drank so much, he drank so much. Oh jeez, so funny, way too funny. Okay, let's see here. Next question. Opinion on older card prices such as 1080 Ti, 1070 Ti, and 1080, 1070. Adam, because, you know, relative to what, you know, the market has gone up pretty much higher than what the hash rate, the market prices have gone up much higher than what us miners around the world, like, we can't keep up with the relativeness of price to network hash rate to difficulty. So a 4-year-old 1080 Ti, actually, like, even an RX 580, that's a better example, but a 1080 Ti right now looks like it's most profitable on mining Z Classic, $3.34 a day. Actually, I just realized I'm on current revenue. If I just did profitability 24 hours, last average 24 hours, probably gonna be, oh, Rio, yeah. So 1080 Ti right now can do $2.91, but that's because, right? If we go to Rio here, the price of Rio, may not be, you know, it's decent, right? It's decently high, but because of the network hash rate, the network hash rate of Rio is really, it's not that high, right? And so I would say a lot of people are still mining Ethereum and doing it that way, right? Maybe they're not mining Rio, they're not wanting to mine Rio and then trade it into BTC or something on Trade Ogre, you know, all these different things, right? It's these cards, these old cards are great right now. It's because the prices of these coins have gone up and a lot of people have flocked to mining Ethereum. It's just there hasn't been a lot, like enough hardware in the whole world to mine out the profitability to hit that, you know, the difficulty, the network hash rate, all that stuff together. It hasn't hit that point, you know, that perfect, that you guys know what I mean? Like it's because yes, there is a lot of network hash rate that has joined Ethereum, but because the price of Ethereum has gone up like from 300 to 3,000 or even 4,000 the past couple months, that the network hash rate relatively hasn't gone up with the price in order to, you know, stifle that profitability number, right? I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to get at, right? It's hard to explain, but there's so many different variables that equate to how the profitability number works. It's because the prices of these coins are so high right now, and relative to what the network difficulties, network hash rate is, you can see that's how you get that equilibrium of the price. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Yes, these old cards are great now. Yes, they're great now. They weren't as great like maybe 2 years ago. It maybe would have been an amazing idea to buy these cards back then when they were like, you know, 150, 200 bucks. I remember buying 1080 Ti's for $200 a year and a half ago. I bought Radeon 7s for $350. I bought Vega 56s for $120. Like, buying those cards back then was probably the best. Buying any card back then, they're still making money, right? Any, like an R9 380 making 50 cents, 58 cents on Ethereum Classic. Like, who would have thought, like, who would have thought that would happen? Who would have thought that would happen? Like, it's like, holy smoke. So the staple RX 580, the legendary like GPU here, it's still doing like $1.93 a day. And think about all the people that made mining farms with these back in 2017. Man, they're just laughing because they've probably paid these off like 100 times already. Maybe 10 or 15 times. I don't know. It's like these cards just keep going and going, right? And yeah, so that's actually one thing I want to show you guys. That's one thing I want to show you guys. So, where's that video I just did? Let's go to, yeah, not the video, a live stream. So, a single, all right, here we go. All right, so a single, so when I did that live stream, right before the EIP 1559, an RX 580 at that time, right before the London hard fork, right? Or like maybe like 20 minutes before, What to Mine was showing an RX 580 was able to yield about 0.0009 Ethereum a day, roughly, right? Or in fiat numbers, it was $2.08. Okay, all right. So keep a mental note of that. Now, an RX 580. Let me just hit calculate again here. An RX 580 now is yielding 0.0008. According to what to mine. Okay, and another thing is the block times have lowered. Okay, 13.31 seconds averaging according to them, and the average block time back then was 13.68. So we're getting more blocks, and I can prove that to you guys. I can prove that to you according to the charts here. If we go to daily average block time chart, yeah, here we go. Okay, so yeah, so August 4th, even they said the average block time was 13.49 seconds. We're now averaging, as of Saturday, August 17th, now it says here 13.04 seconds. All right, so if you go back, so we've garnered more faster, like 0.4 seconds faster block times. Okay, but if we look at the block rewards, right, this is the big thing. Okay, this is the big thing. So oh, did I miss? Oh, I didn't. Hold on, let's go back here. Daily block rewards. Okay, here we go. All right, so because the block times are getting faster, you can see we've been gradually going up, and there's been more blocks per se. All right, so August 4th, there was 6,322 blocks for that day. Now, there's 6,549 blocks. So we've garnered another 220 blocks around there. Daily extra. So since the block times are faster, we've garnered 200 blocks. Okay. So I know it looks like some people are saying, yeah, maybe we're getting less Ethereum. I've been seeing some people saying, oh, we've pretty much averaged out. It's like the same. And according to What to Mine, on a single RX 580, yeah, we've maybe lost a 0.0008.1. So actually, if I do current revenue, I just want to see some current difficulty. Sorry, is it current revenue? Current profit, I think. Hold on, let me just check something. Blocks. Let me just see. Yeah, okay, so the blocks are still around. Oh, there's a 3.5. Yeah, some pools are getting some nice blocks here, but yeah, generally 0.0008 per RX 580 still yielding that much. In terms of fiat, I've been seeing this number jump around because if the network is busy, if crypto like Bitcoin, whatever, everything is starting to move, Ethereum, NFTs, DeFi, whatever, I've seen it go up. I've seen it go up in certain times. So it's you can't really get the perfect number there. It's, in my opinion, it's like the exact same. We were at $2.08 before, but right now it says $1.91 after 10 cents kilowatt hour. So really, it hasn't changed that much, in my opinion. Like in terms of profit, maybe a little bit less. So like it's still, Ethereum is still the most profitable coin according to the averages, daily averages. So I don't know what else to say except it's still fine. Mining Ethereum is still fine for the next potential 5 months until the merge comes in, or 9 months, Q1 of 2022. Okay. All right. I haven't not been reading chat. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm going to start reading your chat now, guys. Altered Component, what's up, man? Altered Component, how are you? B1022 Gaming, RedPandaMining, what do you think about Hive-On Pool since they have no gas fees and still cover transaction fees? That's amazing. Is that for real? Is that for real? Where did they announce that? Where did they announce that? That sounds amazing. Wait, they're paying for transaction fees like when you withdraw, and there's still no pool fees? That's amazing. RedPandaMining, what wallet do you use? I use Zelcore, but they don't have all the coins. RedPuts, yeah, I use Ledger, I use like Trust Wallet, I use Zelcore on my phone. That's pretty much it. Is it 4's3R? Is it worth to buy a more expensive card without LHR just to mine ETH? Is it worth to buy a more expensive card without LHR just to mine ETH? Oh, you're talking about the 3090? Well, I don't think if Ethereum goes to if Ethereum goes to merge in the next 5 months, let's see here, best mining GPUs. Here we go. Is there a dark mode on Cryptex? I don't see a dark mode. All right, that's, oh, wait a sec. No, that's fine. All right, so RTX 3080 or 3090 non-LHR, you know, payback is 297 days. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be a lot more than if merge comes in 5 months, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I just missed a donation. Thank you, Kin Ewo00. Hey, anyone heard of cheap ETH? It can be an alternative to mining ETH. I have not. That sounds interesting. Is there actually anybody mining cheap ETH? Foes 3R. RedPandaMining, what pool do you use? I'm on Ezil at the moment. Good old Ezil. I'm dual mining Ethereum and Zilliqa. I'm just garnering more Ethereum and Zilliqa. That's it. And Ravencoin. And Ergo on one rig, and Ethereum Classic on another rig, and yeah, I think that's it. What? Dark mode on 2Crypt calculator, Mr. Steelblocks. I have never used 2Crypt calculator. I've seen it, but I've never used it. I've always just used what to mine it. That's the 2Miners equivalent, right? Interesting. Cheeto Cat, RedPandaMining, what's your thoughts on difficulty bomb EIP 3554 in December? Well, in December? Well, it's gonna be activated again, yeah, once the merge comes. Yeah, they said December 1st, I think, for the next difficulty bomb. So that means the block times are gonna go up. Exact same thing that happened with just previously. The past, let's see, 2-3 February, the past like 2 months, I think the block time started to go higher because the difficulty bomb was activated. Definitely, yeah. But now it's been deactivated, because you can see here we're at 13 seconds now, and before we were averaging 13.4 seconds block times. So more blocks and more ETH per se. Let me just check if that is actually more ETH on the network. Let's go to daily block rewards chart. Here it is. All right, so okay, so actually we're gonna go way closer. So August 4th, new supply of ether from mining, so about 13,188 back on August 4th, so about 13,188 Ethereum a day in that day. Now the new supply of ether from mining is 13,583. So yeah, we went up. There's like, I actually don't even know if this is going to equate, if there's MEV in here, anything like that. Uncles include rewards. Okay, I see. Oh, no, I read it wrong. Okay, the third line there. Can you guys see the third line? It's probably way too small. From Uncle including rewards. So the daily was 19,100, 19,000. Oh wait. 19,000, that's not 19,000, that's 19. Alright, I'm gonna say the new supply of Ethereum was 13,188. So this is combining all of these metrics below. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Transaction fees. That's not a comma, that's a period. So it looks like the issuance, the daily issuance is up like 400 Ethereum a day from August 4th. If I read that right. 13,098 from block rewards. Transaction fee rewards 1,167. Interesting. me go. Man, I need to figure this. I want to figure this out more in depth because this is definitely interesting. It does seem like we've been. It show according to the Ethereum daily block rewards chart. It's showing that we're getting. It's showing here that there's been a little bit more, a couple hundred more supply of Ethereum a day. Interesting. Interesting. All right, I'm gonna research that later. That's pretty cool. I mean, if that was the case, then we would be yielding a bit more Ethereum if that was the case. But I think because of the burn, right, the burnt fees, that I don't know if this is being equated into this number here. So that's something to figure out. But I know that Bitsby Trippin mentioned that this whole block reward plus this is that whole block. Okay, so 2.2 plus 0.57, that would be 2.77. Yeah, 2.77 or something. Oh, thank you for the donation, Dave Wolf. Thank you, good sir. Thank you so much. Alter Component, what's up, man? I have 5 videos filmed, 2 editing, 1 being filmed, trying to get caught up. Alter Component, miss your videos, man. Need more videos. Down, so down. Techman TY, ETH transactions are big a POS now before POS. That's funny. That's funny, man. Leo YouTuber, RedPandaMining, explain the obsolete of ASIC miner. Well, you know, I've talked about this before. ASIC miners are extremely profitable right now, and that's because you guys know why. Like, the market is up, right? Very similar situation relative to what the network hash rate is. The prices of these coins, the prices of these proof of work ASIC mineable coins are profitable per se, right? But during like 2018, maybe 2018, 2019, 2020, I have ASIC profitability videos showing that like S9s, L3 pluses weren't making any. You were losing money mining with an S9 back in the day, and now let's just do 10 cents kilowatt hour here. That was at 12. An S9, a freaking 4-year-old ASIC miner from 2017, is doing now $1.37 a day, or $2.45 if you have the SE version. So, man, the biggest surprise for me is the L3 Plus. These guys came out in 2017. They're doing like $5 a day, $6 a day still. And so I vividly remember mining farms throwing these in the garbage in 2018, 2019. They were literally bricks, literally e-waste. They threw them out. They were thousands of these that have gone to waste. People just threw these away. Maybe somehow recycled them. I don't know. But man, if you kept all of those and sold them on eBay for $1,000, $2,000 each up until recently, holy smoke. Who would have thought Dogecoin would have done what it did, right? The reason why you guys have also been seeing a lot of these Litecoin miners come out recently is because Dogecoin has gone just insane from like what it was before. What was the price of it before? 1 year. Let's go 1 year. So yeah, Dogecoin was like 0.008 cents, and then it went up to like 8 cents, and then it went up to like 70 cents. So who would have thought that, right? Who would have thought that would happen? And then of course it was like Elon Musk pumping Dogecoin, and then boom, all these L3 pluses and all these ASIC mining companies, Gold Shell, I think Bitmain also announced a new Litecoin / Dogecoin miner. All these guys are coming out of the woodworks because it's profitable right now. They're making these because it's profitable. So I don't know. For people getting into it, in my opinion, it's interesting because, you know, these coins have pumped so hard that these ASICs are now profitable, and these companies are taking advantage of it, right? You guys know Dogecoin, Litecoin, they're taking advantage of it, and they're making money off selling these new L3, L9 or whatever. What's it called? What's the new Bitmain one called? Bitmain Antminer L7. Holy smoke. November 2021 until it's released. Profitability is $123 a day. Oh man. But will that stick? Will that stick for the next, if you even get it in November? It's probably going to be like December or January for people that pre-order this, and I highly don't recommend anyone to pre-order ASICs. So many people have been burned before. Obelisk miner, you know, you say you put in, like, most of these guys accept Bitcoin, right? And so let's say you put in example, say you put in how much is this L7? How much is this L7? Screw it, let's just say it's $20,000 USD. Say you gave Bitmain 0.45 Ethereum, Bitcoin, 0.45 Bitcoin. And then let's say Bitcoin decided to go up to 60K or 100K by the time that this L7 releases in November, December, January of 2022. What are you gonna feel? What are you gonna feel then? Right? Your 100,000, your 20,000 that you put in, that you pre-ordered, you're gonna have major regrets. You're gonna have major regrets doing that. And so imagine another thing. Imagine they canceled it, right? They're like, oh, we no longer can ship these out. We're no longer selling these or creating these. We gotta refund everyone. And you guys know, in their refund policy, all of these ASIC mining companies will refund you at the dollar value at the time of the price of the coin. So you won't get your 0.45 Bitcoin back. Let's say if Bitcoin was 100,000, right? That you would only get 20, you would get 0.2. All right? You would get 0.2 Bitcoin back. So that has happened way too many times. So that is why I say every time, do not pre-order ASICs, please. Everyone out there buying ASICs, wanting to buy these huge ASIC miners for 5 digits, man, like, don't do it. Don't do it. The potential, the huge risk of doing that, and plus the risk of your crypto going up, you're losing both ways. It's terrible. You're literally giving someone your Bitcoin, pre-ordering something, and then 5-6 months later, it could be worth a lot more. It could be worth a lot less, right? There actually has been a time. There's been a time when the Antminer, the Innosilicon A10, one of my subscribers canceled his order with Crypto Miner Bros, and actually he garnered more Ethereum, more Bitcoin than he put in. That was actually one time I've heard anyone actually benefiting from pre-ordering an ASIC, because the market was down, and so he actually pre-ordered the ASIC when the market was higher, and he garnered more crypto back. So that's hilarious. Like, that's just one thing I've heard of before. But I highly recommend everyone do not pre-order ASICs. All right, it's just you're gonna lose out in the end. It's just not worth it, in my opinion. Okay, let's see here. Oh my God, Ron Watkins. What did you order? what did you order? Okay. Yeah, Crypto Miner Bros is definitely not a scam. They've sold like $10 million plus worth of ASIC miners this year. I think more than that now. They deal with huge mining farms. They've sold hundreds of thousands of ASICs the past 6 months. Ron Watkins, RedPandaMining. I ordered an A11 in February. Oh man. Ron Watkins, why? Why did you order an A11? Why? Why? What was the reason? What was the reason? Ron Watkins. With all the news, everything I've talked about, even before February, I'm pretty sure I talked about merge and why did you order an A11 when they said they were coming out in like July? What's the reason? I want to know. I want to know. You don't call Crypto Miner Bros a scam and then expect still waiting for a June shipment which has not shipped. I'm pretty sure it said like July or August for this thing. Back in February, I felt I could get a good deal. My order specifically said June. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. See? This is what happens though. Ron Watkins, this is what happens. This is what happens. People expect it to come at that release date. It never does. It never does. And this is actually not Crypto Miner Bros' fault. This is Bitmain's fault. Bitmain are the ones literally holding the companies that are the distributors by the throat. This is literally what's happening. Ron Watkins, RedPandaMining. They also refuse to issue a refund. Let me Ron Watkins, email me. I'm curious. I'm curious of more specifics, but I just never. It's just I've heard so many stories. People get pissed because they pre-order the ASIC and then the amount of crypto that they put in to pre-order it has gone up in value and they're just regretting it and they're just like they're calling it a scam and it's just, well, you guys did it yourself. It's not, this is completely your fault. Nobody else's fault but your own. It's like, this has happened way too many times. Way too many times. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. But Ron, email me. Ron, let's see if I can help you. Email me. In the terms of the pre-order, all sales are final. Yeah, Alchemy, exactly. They even say that on their website. Exactly. They even say that. So for Ron Watkins, for pre-ordering that, he very well knew. It even says it right on their website before you order anything. Exactly. All the terms of the pre-order, all sales are final and non-refundable on any terms. That's a huge, terrible risk, right? That's what you are getting into trying to get one of these A11, Innosilicon A11s, right? So, Ron, I'm sorry that happened to you. It sucks, you know. But email me. I'll see what I can do to help you. Chili Mining, RedPandaMining. Did you get my message about Octominer email? Chili Mining, potentially. I don't know. Did you email me or was it a YouTube thing? YouTube comment. Octominer emailed me shortly after that video and they apologized and stuff, but I'm gonna have an update video for you guys when I receive something from them. So we'll see whenever that happens. Ron Watkins, I can't promise you anything, okay, Ron? But I'm just telling you right now, you can't call anyone a scam because it's initially your fault for doing it, alright? I'm pretty sure I have an A11 video talking about the A11, telling everyone not to pre-order. I'm pretty sure I have a video about that. So, like, just know what you got. Just know, for anyone else wanting to pre-order ASICs, just know your risk, okay? Just know your risk. It's just, ultimately it's you. Ultimately it's on you if you are gonna be pre-ordering anything like that, and Bitmain and InnoSilicon are just gonna delay sending out these to the distributors. Okay? It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. RedPandaMining, the power of our community. Octominer. Yeah, I don't know how. I'm not quite sure how Octominer saw or heard about it, but it was a pretty quick email back. Chili Mining, RedPandaMining. So I basically emailed Harry, their CTO, and screenshotted my comment, and he emailed me back and apologized. So I hope that helped nudge them and got them back to email you back. Oh, okay, Chili Mining. Oh, so maybe that was you. Chili Mining, maybe that was you. Thank you, man. Thank you. Mr. G Productions, I second your question. RedPandaMining, are you getting some 6600 XTs? Yes, I would like to. I don't know where I could get those. I would love to. I would love to. Are they out yet, or? I override 3. RedPandaMining, I just bought I brought a InnoSilicon T2 Turbo. What the heck is that? What's a T2 Turbo? HF plus. Oh, Bitcoin. Okay, SHA-256. 33 terahash, making $6.42 a day after 10 cents. Interesting. 2600 watts. Interesting. Not bad. I didn't even know InnoSilicon made these Bitcoin ones. That's pretty cool, I guess. There's a lot of different Bitcoin ASICs out there. Jesus. HD Matu, what's up, man? I just talked with you last night on the Misfit Mining Chump Change Discord. That was awesome. Good to hear you. Good to hear from you, HD Matu. Chris Chamberlain, let's use RedPandaMining community to push for all websites to have dark mode option. Does ASIC miner value have dark mode? Nope. I don't see a dark mode option. That's okay. Red Fox Crypto, smash that like. Thank you, good sir. KiniWo00, thank you for the donation. RedPandaMining, check cheap ETH if you can, please. Where can I check cheap ETH? It's not even on CoinGecko. So if it's not even on CoinGecko, I'm not gonna really check it out, man. Let's see here. Hello, RedPandaMining. I have an Aladdin miner, a T1. What's an Aladdin miner? Aladdin. Nope. T1. Aladdin miner? T1? Oh, you mean... I don't even know what that is. Are you talking about the Halong mining dragon mint? I've never even heard of that. That's cool. Okay, next question. Magical World, RedPandaMining, do you think BTC can hit 100k this year? I have no idea, man. I'm not gonna speculate on that, but who knows? Who the heck knows? I wish it would. That would be nice, but I don't want to have that kind of high expectation. I don't want to be, you don't want to be disappointed, right? Like, just, I don't know. I'm not looking for like the next couple months or something. Like, I'm looking at like 5 to 10 years from now. So, Christopher Boats, RedPandaMining, why did Ravens have such a big jump the last few days? in terms of price or hash rate or... Oh yeah, well, I think a lot of altcoins went up. Even Zilliqa and some other ones have gone up as well in terms of price. I'm not quite sure. I think it's just the market going up altogether with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was at like, what, 35, 36,000 for a while, and now we're at 43. So yeah, I mean, I think just everything is going up. So hi Panda, your channel guided me into mining. Now I have 600 megahash and ETH. By the way, disability didn't stop me. Nice. One Sparta. Thank you, good sir. Hope you're doing okay. JP, RedPandaMining, what's the best miner for Litecoin? Well, at this moment, I think it's like getting a cheap L3 Plus. I don't think those L3 Pluses are cheap, but I don't know. Would I invest that kind of money in Litecoin and Dogecoin miners? Personally, no. I wouldn't. Bitcoin though, like Bitcoin mining, like with ASICs, I feel like it's been there for so long. It's been so tried and true. There's so many Bitcoin ASIC mining farms out there, and like, I don't know. I think ASIC mining for Bitcoin is great if you have cheap electric and you have the infrastructure to do it, but residential mining Bitcoin ASICs is really hard. You guys know my struggle. You guys know my struggle with the two little Bitcoin ASICs I have there. It's not fun. It's not fun. It uses a lot of power. Alright, you guys need to stop asking me about... You guys need to stop asking me about what I think about if the price is going to go higher on any coin. Guys, nobody knows. Nobody knows. I can't predict that kind of thing. I would like to have the price go. We would all love the price to go higher. But all of us, we're in this because we're all in this crypto mining game per se as a risk, right? It's all a gamble essentially, right? You're gambling for the price to go up, right? That's what we're all doing. That's why a lot of people do investing, right? It's the same idea. It's like you're investing in stocks or real estate or anything like that, hoping to, I don't know, hedge against inflation. And you know, you look at the charts since like 1980s, the dollar just goes down and down, and everything, physical assets just go up and up and stuff. And so I don't know if you're equating to like digital assets now, stocks, whatever. You're hoping it to go up in the future. Yeah, so be it, right? That's why you're in this, right? You're hoping for a higher value of whatever you're into, right? So like crypto mining, for example, like for me, I took less of a risk, right? Instead of buying crypto, I hedged myself with buying the physical hardware because I also have value in the hardware, right? If everything decided to go down and, you know, just, I don't know, crypto mining is banned or something, and you still have the hardware. I mean, you could still, you know, once it's banned, then you can probably not sell it for that much, but you can still sell it, right? It can still be used for whatever. There's totally tons of other applications out there, not just for crypto mining. There's 3D rendering, content creators, streamers, data center rendering, processing, what have you, you know, the cloud gaming, cloud whatever, anything, right, that GPUs can be used for. There's a lot of business use cases for graphic cards, right? And so if those guys are using it for making money, you know, it's the same idea with us crypto miners. We're using GPUs to make money, right? And so yeah, if you're comparing it to like other businesses using, you know, GPUs for 3D rendering or, you know, for their business to make money or something, then I don't know. In my opinion, it's the same idea, just different outlook. Everyone thinks crypto mining is a get-rich-quick scheme, and it isn't. It's not. Did I miss another? Fudwiser, thank you for the donation. I missed it. Jealous about your sticker wall. Put together a sticker pack for us. Fudwiser. I don't have any good access to sticker creation. Like I'm in Canada here, so I think all the sticker businesses are in USA or China. I don't know where they come from, but yeah, you know, it's not very easy for me, and I don't have time to do a store or anything, or handle a store or anything like that. So yeah, I can't do that. I'm sorry. But if you want a sticker, go visit dogelord.com. We can go there. Let's go to Dogelord here. Just quickly. If you want a Red Panda Mining sticker, or a little shill here, you guys just go to here. Just go here. Go here. Go Dogelord. Actually, I'll put it in the live chat. There you go. There you go. Okay. HD Madu, I love you too, man. HD Madu, you're the best. You're the best. We gotta play StarCraft. You play StarCraft? Let's play StarCraft. Henry Chimka, RedPandaMining, nice stream of the frame builds yesterday. What do you think about the 2 C13 to 1 C14Y cables for 2 PSU? I'm thinking Raven these days. So Henry Chimka, the C13 to C14 cable, I think the 14 gauge, like the 14 gauge one, only handles 15 amps. So if your mining rig is gonna go higher than that, I don't think that Y cable is gonna be great. I wouldn't do Y cable, man. I would do 2 separate 14 gauge or 14 gauge C13 to C14. Definitely do separate, in my opinion. RedPandaMining, if you have 32 ETH hodled, do you have any plans to stake it or sell it when proof of work ends and ETH 2.0 hits? I have a plan of doing staking, yes. And I have a plan of making a video doing that. on my secondary channel that's not mining. Let's see, does my channel even show up here? Let's see here. Red Panda, wow, look at this guy. This guy's copying me. RedPandaMining, 2 subscribers, 1 video. Nice. I do have a second channel which I have not put anything yet. I'm still thinking about what to do on it, but it's just going to be other stuff that's not crypto mining, right? And so I'm thinking of doing that 32 ETH POS whatever thing on this channel when that time comes. Whenever that time comes, yeah. RSA Miner, RedPandaMining, how is Mining Chamber doing? Haven't seen a video from him. Well, RSA Miner, right now, he is, I'm putting him to work, right? He's slaving away in my mining farms and just building mining frames for me. And I told, like, there's no reason for him to make videos anymore. So he lives near me, so I'm using him to my advantage. No, just kidding. He's just busy. He just moved in, so he's just getting used to the area. He's fine. He's fine. He'll make videos. He'll make videos again. Man, he has 114k subscribers. That's nuts. Damn, he's gonna surpass me. That's good. Mining Chamber is in the RedPandaMining gulag. Exactly. Yeah, but RSA Miner, don't worry. Yeah, we'll have more collabs. We'll have more collabs soon. Okay. Guys, any other questions? What time is it? 106. Oh my god, it's 106. Already been streaming for an hour? Okay, guys, a couple more questions, and then I'm gonna call it, and I need to make videos. Andrew Simon, RedPandaMining, if you had 20k to invest, what would you spend it on? GPU or ASIC? If GPU, which cards? If ASIC, which miner? Man, I don't want to give that kind of advice, man, because it's gonna be so dependent on what price you get all this hardware at. as long as you think of mining long term, I feel like the 20k, it's hard, man. It's hard. I really don't know what's gonna happen, because there's basically, if GPU mining, let's say, essentially was going to be not, like, essentially is going to be not dead, right? The only way for that to happen, for GPU mining for no longer to be dead, is if the price of proof of work coins, all these proof of work coins, go up. Ergo, Firo, Vertcoin, whatever. Any proof of work coin that's mineable on GPUs or even ASICs, they just have to be, they just have to make sense. It has to make sense for profitability aspect, network hash rate, network difficulty. I explained that in the beginning of this live stream, that relative to what the price of these coins are and what the network hash rate is, difficulty, you know, how many miners are on the network, you know, that's how you get that equilibrium, that fiat number, right? That's how you get that profitability number, because the profitability, the prices of these coins have gone up higher than what the network hash rate difficulty, the amount of hardware that is coming onto the network, that until that you won't get that profitability number. So, you know, there's that equilibrium. There's that, it calculates all of these different variables, block times, network hash rate, difficulty, sees how much rewards you're getting, you know, that's how it's being all calculated. So I don't know when the bear market's coming. So many people are claiming so many different things. I'm just here mining away. I'm still profitable at my current electrical rate. All right, that's another big thing. Your electrical rate is going to be a huge deciding factor. Okay, if you have 20 cents, 30 cents per kilowatt hour, then you're gonna have to not mine anymore. Like, that's just too much. That's just too much. Won't make sense. Oh, thank you, Error69 Gaming. I have an RTX 3090. What is the best hash I can get? Well, I think the RTX 3090, it thermal throttles like heck. So if you're mining Ethereum on that thing, then I feel like you can get between 115 to 125 mega hash on that thing. PJ Playhouse, RedPandaMining, any chance for 4K videos? I do have a plan on buying a new camera, a new 4K 120 FPS camera. I am still thinking about it. I don't think I need to do videos in 4K. We'll see. It may affect my workflow, because editing 4K videos is going to take a lot longer. So we'll see. We'll see. HD Madhu, yeah, tomorrow I'm free in the night for me. Okay, nice. Vincent Gallo, RedPandaMining, question: FPGA opinions, thoughts, worth it versus ASICs? No, just don't get into FPGA. There's no resources out there. Like, you're gonna burn yourself out. Like, you're just not gonna. I don't know. I haven't had a good time, to be honest. And trying to get help from FPGA guys, I don't know. It's just the community is not. I mean, I get it, right? It's like FPGAs are it's a pretty enclosed community, so I wouldn't recommend it. Miss KDA, are you in Ravencoin? I am on Ravencoin on a couple rigs. Yes, Miss KDA. I actually have a 3070 Ti mining rig coming out Tuesday video, I think. Actually, I wanted to see. Ravencoin. Yeah, Ravencoin. Man, Ravencoin's doing really good. Ravencoin is really good on RX 580s. Like 14. I can get 14 mega hash on Kapow. It's pretty awesome. At like 125 watts. Okay, Oh, Kenny Wu, thank you for the donation again. Please give Cheap ETH the benefit of the doubt. It was made by George Hotz, so definitely not a scam. It's very profitable project. Have 1 year. Okay. Well, if I can't see it on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, so... Oh, there it is. Cheap ETH. Okay, it's on CoinMarketCap. Well, I didn't show that before. Okay, well, let's see here. It just came out. Cheap ETH just came out. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, man. There's really nothing about Cheap ETH here, so. Hacker shows how he 51% attacked Ethereum clone Cheap ETH for $100. Yeah, well, it's because there's probably no hash rate on Cheap ETH. Yeah, I don't know, man. Kiniwo, I don't really see a reason to mine Cheap ETH. There's no markets. There's no... You can't even trade Cheap ETH to Bitcoin. Like, I wouldn't even... I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't really get into new coins, to be honest. It's just not worth my time, to be honest. I'm sorry. It's... Kiniwo 00, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm not gonna get into Cheap ETH. I'm just being honest. I'm sticking with top coins. Okay guys, that's it. I'm done. I am done. Let's see here. Skady, I see you said you were mining Raven coins. Why would you not mine ETH and convert them into Raven coins? Well, 3070 Ti's, the LHR cards, you can't mine ETH. Like, it's not profitable on mining ETH on those. Like, it is, but not as mining Raven coin on them. So, there's no point for me to mine. Yeah, that's it. I guess I think I just explained it. Depending on what kind of cards you have, if you have the LHR cards, then you're gonna be mining Ravencoin on them. I am trying to find LHR 3070, LHR 3080, LHR 3060 Ti, so I can do comparisons between those. So, yeah, I have that I will hopefully get one later. Later on. Okay. All right, guys. That's it. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you all. That was fun. I love doing AMAs. Oh, I totally forgot to do the sponsors of these videos. GPUrisers.com. If you guys are looking for GPU risers or even splitters or even SSDs, check them out. GPUrisers.com. Put in this thing here. Use offer code RedPandaMining for 10% off if you guys would like. Bees, cryptomining.ca. If you guys are in Canada, and are looking for crypto mining parts, motherboards, mining motherboards, bunch of different mining motherboards in Canada, check it out. Bees Crypto Mining. Use offer code RedPanda, or I forgot my offer code. It's in the description somewhere. I think RPM something 5, something like that. 5% off anything you guys buy. Check it out if you guys are interested. Mineshop.eu, good old Mineshop.eu. You guys know, runs a shop run by Mr. Guntis Vitolins. He's a mining OG mining YouTuber. Hey guys, looks like he does not have any GPUs in stock. Oh my god, he has the RG Strix 3070 White Edition. Out of stock. Damn. I need 6 of these. I need to buy 6 of these right now. These are so nice. Oh, and then I need to couple it with GPU Riser's white splitter. Oh man. Done. I need to make a white rig. You guys want to see a white rig? Never mind. What a waste. What a waste. Never mind. Okay. And then finally, guys, if you guys want to talk with me one-on-one, I do have a little shop here. RedPandaMining.shop. You guys can talk with me 30 minutes or 1 hour sessions. I've had like 30 calls with all of you now, and it's been just amazing. It's been so humbling talking with you guys one-on-one. A lot of you guys have really good questions. I even learned a lot of stuff as well. Some of you guys just showing me some stuff, and really appreciate it. So yeah, if you guys are interested, want to book a time with me, I have some times available. Check it out, redpandamining.com, redpandamining.shop. All right, guys, thank you so much. I totally did not have the screen open here. Wow, I totally did anyone said I wasn't showing the screen? That was too funny. Oh my god, that is way too funny. Alright. That's too funny. I wasn't even showing you guys. Thanks, Serpent. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks for that. Thanks for being a friend. Thanks for telling me not to switch my screen. It sounded great though. Oh man, too funny, too funny. I put the links in the live chat, so that was fine enough. That was good enough. Okay, is there anyone streaming after me? I can move people. I can move to them. Is anyone streaming after me? Serpent, are you streaming? ROG Strix White. Man, I want this. I want this. This is nice, man. No LHR. I like how it says no LHR. I love that. I love that. Okay. Yeah, I want a Gundam. I want a Gundam one as well. Alchemy. Mystic yield is lower. Yield price bump. Made it seem like it did nothing. Yield went down. No, yeah, yield. Yeah, yield of mining Ethereum went down a little bit. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Chili Mining, Red Fox and Hobbyist Miner will be tonight, 9 a.m. Eastern. Oh, nice. Let's go there. Wait, 9 a.m. Eastern. What time is it now? 1:20. Ah, it's still a while away. Okay, well, we'll head on over there in about 5 hours then. Okay. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out. Have a good day. Stay safe. Take care. See you, Serpent. Alchemy, thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Peace out. Oh, I gotta switch the scene. Man, I'm not used to this. Alright, peace, guys. Thanks so much.